Hey guys, it's Craig Charlotte here. Thanks for watching. Today we're going to talk about how to create a customized link in bio landing page for your social profiles using the ClickFunnels platform. Again, this is meant for sales funnels. So again, why not start your sales funnel process right off your link in bio landing page? So a lot of people use Linktree or links in bio or a lot of custom solutions for this. If you're already using ClickFunnels, why not just use this to create your link in bio landing page? So they tend to look like this, where just a whole bunch of links. You can get fancy or super simple. This is a particular, I think it's bio.fm, where you can have a much more dynamic profile page, I guess, with links off, or down to a very basic one here, just simple links. So I'm going to show you how to make just one with simple links in ClickFunnels, just using a basic sales funnel. So here we go. We're just going to use a regular funnel here, create a custom funnel. I'm going to call this link in bio. I'm just going to show you how to create one of these basic pages. We won't go too crazy into this, but we're going to start with a blank page. Here, we'll start with this one, a basic squeeze page. So we'll select this template. And we'll just jump in and edit the page. So once we're in here, we can see that this has one main section here in green, and then a couple of rows here all the way down. They got a button and some text down here. So that's our template to start off with. So really we want to start off, we want to get let's change the background of this particular page here. So you can see how it's already very narrow, but we'll change the background. We're going to go dark on this one just because I want to show something different. So we're going to take a dark background, and let's start off by adding a bio picture. So we'll take the image here. I'll add a picture of myself. There we go. And we'll put it in here. Now let's stylize it so it looks a bit like a profile image. So you can go to radius here in the advanced settings of the picture. You pick circle, puts a circle around it. You can even put a border if you want. Not going to show up with the dark background there, but that's fine. I'm actually going to set this to 170 by 170 just to get a profile picture there. So again, could get a little bit fancier there and clean that up, but again, you get the idea. Now I'll put a nice headline down. We'll change the color on this so that we have white text. And I'll put my name here because this is my profile, and I want people to know it's me when they land on this page. I could put whatever else I want here. If I just want to put my profile handle, I should change the color on that so we can see it. Right, and then what's great about this when you're using sales funnels is it's a landing page, so you can create whatever kind of call to action you want. You can have people sign up for a newsletter, or we can just have those buttons that you want underneath here. For example, ask me anything. Here you can say, get one-on-one coaching with me. Right? So we got, one thing there. Again, you can always use the alignment tools, which is great to make everything look the way you want. You can increase the font of that particular thing, of that particular button, and then we can copy some more. So let's add some other ones. Let's say we want to say have a call to action to subscribe to me on YouTube. So in here we could say get all the free training you need on my channel. Oops. So again, see, you can customize this. You can change the colors. You want to make this a red button, we can do that. You can really get creative. You basically can do whatever you want on this because it's a regular ClickFunnels page. Again, you can also add forms. Maybe you want to change this form up. Let's make it more of a one column form because again, we want to maybe focus on mobile. So I can bring this down into here and then I'll drag this other one down below. A little bit of spacing in between those two. And then get rid of this row we don't need, and I don't know, maybe we need to change the text on this. I'm not really worrying too much about the content per se because again, you can put whatever you want. So again, let's add some more buttons. Once you actually have these buttons in place, you got to make sure that you set the action to go to the appropriate website, either open it in a new tab or a new window, what have you, but you got to make sure that's there, otherwise the button's not going to work. But once you have all that and you design it whatever way you want, you can add 100 buttons if you want. But again, remember, focus. You want people to, really have, get to the message you really want to get in front of them. You can even add a little bit of paragraph here if you want to add a bio. Again, this you can add particular text in here. Again, you can stylize this whichever way you want. That's the power of ClickFunnels, and really, when it scales down to mobile, you can test it out here, make it live. The beauty with this is you can create and use any domain name you want. So you don't have to use Linktree's domain name in your bio. It can go from your website off onto this very simple landing page where you can send them off to whatever it is you want. Whether it's a book, an affiliate product, or coaching, or your courses, or to Messenger for that matter, where you want people to then engage with you on Messenger. You have the full flexibility of ClickFunnels to do whatever it is you want on this particular page. So let's just preview it real quick here in the browser. Again, it looks big in the browser here, but again, this will work on a mobile device, on whatever it is. It's a simple Linktree style page. Hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, leave some comments below. Please give me a like and subscribe to my channel. I hope this has been helpful, and we'll see you again next time.